Recovering from a life-changing event like surgery is challenging. It's normal to need emotional and physical support. Recovery is a team effort, and having support and encouragement from family and friends will make your recovery easier and more successful. Choose a care partner or coach to help you before and after your surgery. This person can be a family member, friend, or neighbor. They don't need to have medical training. Your care partner's job is to act as a safety net for you. They will help you with preparing for surgery, shopping and meal preparation, medication management, understanding and following instructions from your doctor, self-care and monitoring symptoms, and progress after surgery. Your care partner should plan on coming with you to all your pre-op and post-operative medical appointments. It's very helpful to have a second set of eyes and ears to understand and clarify medical information and instructions. Many care teams require that your care partner attend pre-op and discharge educational sessions with you. Loved ones can help reinforce lifestyle changes and provide emotional support throughout the process of surgery and recovery. However, it's common for people to feel symptoms of anxiety and depression after surgery. Tell your doctor if you're feeling downhearted or blue so that they can connect you to the right healthcare professionals. If you don't feel comfortable speaking to your doctor about how you're feeling, bring it up with your care partner or another friend or family. Asking for help is the first step to feeling better. We wish you a successful recovery.